Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a true photosphere on your phone or exporting a stitched equirectangular image. That gives you a 360-degree, top-to-bottom panorama that Google Earth can reference. Once done, confirm the file is 2:1 aspect ratio and high enough resolution. 4096 x 2048 is a practical baseline, because smaller images will blur and map poorly. Meanwhile, make sure Google Earth Pro is installed, and you have EXIF tool or similar ready to inspect, and set the image metadata. Next, prepare the file and KML that tell Google Earth how to place the sphere. First, embed or verify equirectangular metadata with EXIF tool so Google Earth reads it as a 360 image, then host the JPG online or package it into a KMZ. After that, create a photo overlay element in a KML. Define the point coordinates where the sphere should sit and tune view params, heading, tilt, HFOV for the initial viewer orientation. Save the KML or KMZ as your scene container. Finally, import the KML or KMZ into Google Earth Pro and open the placemark to preview the photo overlay. You should be able to look around the full 360 field. Make small adjustments to view params or repackage the image into KMZ if the orientation is off, and then save the final placemark to My Places so you can export or share it. If the sphere fails to display, check the image to one size, confirm equirectangular metadata, and ensure the image URL is publicly reachable or bundled inside a KMZ.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.